If you're experiencing FPS drops in Cyberpunk 2077, there are several adjustments you can make to improve performance. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game. Navigate to the settings menu and reduce options like texture quality, shadow quality, and turn off features like ray tracing. This will help lighten the load on your system. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA or AMD and download the latest drivers. Updated drivers can improve performance and fix bugs that may cause FPS drops. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help maintain a smoother frame rate while playing. Step 4. Optimize game files. Use the game's built-in optimization tool if available, or verify the integrity of the game files through a game launcher like Steam or GOG. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing performance issues. Step 5. Monitor system temperature. Check your system's temperature while gaming. High temperatures can lead to thermal throttling, which reduces performance. Ensure your PC is well ventilated and consider cleaning dust from fans and components. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing Cyberpunk 2077. Enjoy your gaming experience.